In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Apps over here. Select App Cloner under App Management and click on any app you wish to clone from here or by tapping Other Apps. Wherever you decided after finding your app, click on it, tap on this switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Then manage those two options. You can rename your app clone however you want to and hit Save. And also tap on Default App to open and pick one of those options. Always ask Original App or App Clone. When you're ready, just go back. So now when I check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can go back to the same settings and tap on the No Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!